Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practice English with me.
We are happy you are here today.
This podcast is for beginners.
We speak slowly. We speak clearly.
You can listen, you can repeat, you can learn.
Good job for starting today.
Please like this podcast. Please subscribe.
Let's learn English together. How today works.
First, listen,
Then we discuss.
then listen again.
Ready? Let's begin.
Phrase set 1. Greetings. Our first phrase is, Hello, how are you?
Listen again. Hello. How are you?
This means you are asking about someone's feeling.
Now listen to some answers.
I am good.
I am fine.
I am okay.
Let's practice together.
Hello, how are you?
I am good.
Great job.
Listen again.
Hello, how are you? I am good.
Try to say it with us.
Nice.
You are learning already.
Mini dialogue. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am good.
Simple, easy, useful.
Phrase set 2. Your name. New phrase. My name is.
My name is Stephanie.
My name is Ronald.
Now you try.
Great.
Let's make a small conversation.
Hello, my name is Ronald. What is your name?
My name is Stephanie.
Listen again.
Hello, my name is Stephanie. What is your name?
My name is Ronald.
Good job.
Phrase set 3. Where are you from? Next phrase. Where are you from?
Listen, where are you from?
Answer. I am from India.
I am from Canada.
I am from Brazil.
Let's practice.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Again.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Now you try.
Excellent. Daily life topic. Morning.
Now we talk about morning.
Simple sentence. I wake up early.
I wake up at 6.
Listen again. I wake up early.
Another sentence. I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
Let's practice slowly.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
Mini story. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Listen again.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Now you say. Great job. Phrase set 4. Likes. New phrase. I like coffee.
I like tea.
I like music.
Listen again. I like coffee.
Negative form. I do not like milk.
I do not like soda.
Let's practice.
I like tea.
I do not like soda.
Nice.
Question practice. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like milk?
No, I do not like milk.
Good job.
Phrase set 5. Daily actions.
I work.
I study.
I relax.
Listen again. I work.
I study.
I relax.
Simple sentence. I study English.
I study English.
I study English every day.
Say it. Excellent.
Mini dialogue. What do you do?
I study English.
Great.
Evening routine.
In the evening,
In the evening,
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I sleep.
Listen again.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I sleep.
Feelings.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
Listen again.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
Great.
Polite words.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Listen.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Use them often. They are important.
Review block. Let's review.
Hello, how are you?
I am good.
My name is.
I am from.
I wake up early.
I study English.
You are doing great. Extended practice loop. Listen, I wake up early.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
Listen again.
I wake up early. I drink water. I eat breakfast. My breakfast is simple.
Now you try.
Excellent.
Listen, I wake up early.
I wake up at 6.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
Listen again.
I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
Now you try.
Good job.
Question practice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Again.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6.
Your turn.
Nice.
Breakfast talk. I eat eggs.
I eat bread.
I eat rice.
My breakfast is simple.
Listen again.
My breakfast is simple.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat. Great.
Likes and dislikes.
I like coffee.
I like tea.
I like milk.
I do not like soda.
Listen again.
I like tea. I do not like soda.
Your turn. Excellent.
Simple dialogue. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you like soda?
No, I do not like soda.
Great job. Daily activities.
I work.
I study.
I read.
I write.
Listen again.
I work. I study. I read. I write.
Your turn. Good.
Study English.
I study English.
I study English every day.
Listen.
I study English every day.
Repeat. Amazing.
Simple question. What do you study?
I study English.
Again.
What do you study? I study English.
Your turn.
Nice speaking.
Evening routine. I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I use my phone.
I sleep.
Listen again.
I eat dinner. I watch TV. I use my phone. I sleep.
Repeat.
Good job.
Feelings. I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am sleepy.
Listen again.
I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am sleepy.
Your turn.
Excellent.
Question practice. How are you?
I am good.
How are you?
I am tired.
Your turn.
Nice.
Polite words.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Listen again.
Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me.
Repeat. Great manners.
Shopping basic. I want water.
I want rice.
I want bread.
Listen again.
I want water. I want rice. I want bread.
Your turn. Good.
Price question.
How much is this?
It is cheap.
It is expensive.
Listen again.
How much is this? It is cheap.
Your turn.
Nice.
Transport. I walk.
I take the bus.
I ride a bike.
Listen again.
I walk. I take the bus. I ride a bike.
Repeat. Good job.
Destination.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I go home.
Listen again.
I go to work. I go to school. I go home.
Your turn.
Excellent.
Family. I have a mother.
I have a father.
I have a brother.
I have a sister.
Listen again.
I have a mother. I have a father. I have a brother. I have a sister.
Repeat.
Nice.
Food choices. I like rice.
I like chicken.
I like vegetables.
Listen again.
I like rice. I like chicken. I like vegetables.
Your turn. Great.
Health.
I feel good.
I feel sick.
I need rest.
Listen again.
I feel good. I feel sick. I need rest.
Your turn.
Good speaking.
Simple story practice. I wake up early. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Listen again.
I wake up early. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Your turn. Excellent.
Long practice loop. Important. Use this block many times while recording. Listen.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
Listen again.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Now you try. Wrap up. Today you practiced
Greetings,
names,
daily routines,
likes,
simple sentences.
you listened,
You spoke.
you learned.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing every day.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.